Conduct regular polls on social media for creating engagement. Hi, this is Tim. Welcome to All Affiliate Cash. Social media marketing hack number 3 is to conduct regular polls on social media for creating engagement. While most social media platforms like Facebook offer built-in polls, one ought to note that running polls manually, where users have to comment with their answers, can go a long way in not only increasing traffic, but also in creating engagement from a given post. Try to ask questions that seek to know the level to which a product or service is acceptable to your viewers. Polls that demand yes or no answers can make your existing or expected customers air their views regarding the products or services you are selling on social media. As a result, they not only provide their views regarding the questions posted, but also build engagement for other social media users in which they form a discussion. Once an active discussion is achieved, the posts will attract more and more traffic, thereby making the products or services known to a wider range of people. An example is, are you enjoying these social media marketing hacks? Please answer yes or no in the comments so I know if I should keep going with the remaining 47 hacks or not. Stay connected by subscribing and hitting the little bell. Until next time, life is good.